Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to assign friends emoji to your Snapchat list. So for you to do that, you have to tap on your profile icon, then tap on the gear button and scroll down a little. Then under additional services, you're going to tap on friends emoji. So let's say there is a particular friends you want to change the emoji into something more suitable for you. Let's say, okay, this particular best friend, which is BFS, best friends. So you want this particular best friends, the list of these friends that you have under this BFS, you want to change the emoji, you can simply tap on it, then scroll down and look for your suitable emoji. Let's say you want something like this, then tap on the back arrow, tap on this particular arrow, you tap on it, you can see. Then under mutual bestie, you want something like this, you want to tap on it, then you're going to tap at this back arrow, you can see it has been changed. Under this top groups, you want something like this, then you're going to tap, you can see this is how you can set friends emoji to your chat list on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.